What up, gang? In this video, I'm going to share another music marketing strategy with you that has helped me gain at this point, millions of people to my Spotify.
Damn!
And millions of people to my Instagram and to my YouTube channels.
God damn.
And I want you to know that anybody can do this. And if you can't do it now, you're going to be able to do it in the future. So take this into account and put this in your back pocket so that you have it to use it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now let's talk about it. One is something that has helped me gain a tremendous amount and keep on a regular basis a ton of monthly listeners on my Spotify. And it's now helped me get over 5 different Spotify plaques. Wow. I have 5 songs with over 1 million streams. I have songs with over 2 million streams. That's just Spotify. Every single one of my songs hits 1 million views on YouTube. Bruh. And with this strategy I'm telling you, I do believe that this has helped tremendously. Now, so what is it? It's putting your name on your car. Very simple, okay? Now I know, Rob, you have a McLaren that's all tricked out now. Nobody's gonna look at my car. That's not true. People are still seeing your name. It's brand awareness. Because you can always wrap your car for like $1,500 to $2,000. It may sound like a lot of money, but you can make it any color you want. And even in the beginning, you don't have to have a really bright, shiny, flashy car. If somebody's driving around in a Prius and their name's on it, it doesn't matter if they were in a Prius. They just look, environmentally conscious. All I know is I now know your name. I see vans driving around. It doesn't matter if it's like this old ass van. I see and I respect the fact that they have their stuff on the side. I now know it. It's Perry's Plumbing. Look, whatever it is, okay? Your name is still getting seen around town. And then once they see your name enough and has enough brand and name recognition, they're gonna look you up.
Oh God.
Really quick, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further, faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. That's how it works. Now, the cooler the car, the more they're gonna be intrigued to know who this person is. But you're still gaining brand awareness, and it's very, very helpful. This alone has gained me hundreds of thousands of eyeballs, not millions now, to my music, and on a very regular basis. I now hear people pull up to me in traffic and start playing and blasting my music from the car, and they go, "This is actually pretty good," right? It's because they see the car, they search it, and they play it. And I guarantee you, I have artists inside of the music industry shortcut that do this, and they gain fans from it, because people come to their stuff and they say, "I saw your car." Like, it works.
He ain't lying.
And then you already know what time it is. It's time for Word of the Day.
Hi, my name is Shay. Today's word of the day is vibrato, a rapid slight variation in pitch or singing or playing some musical instruments, producing a stronger or richer tone. Here's the word used in a sentence. Has vibrato made the song sound 10 times better?
Did you know that word? Well, now you do, okay? And you could use it in your music, and you're gonna sound a lot smarter. Use it in everyday conversation. You're gonna sound a lot smarter than the next guy, okay? Because you're a smart rapper. If you wanna know hundreds of marketing strategies like these, I have entire marketing masterclass bundles that are ridiculous. And I'm gonna give you a bunch of cheat sheets for free with tons of free tips. I'm gonna put that in the description below. Free downloads. You tell me where to send them, boom, they're yours. And then, after you tell me where to send them, it's gonna kick you to a page that I spent a ton of money in making sure that it's fast and loads like this for you so that it doesn't waste any of your time. I know how valuable your time is. I understand that. Okay? So go ahead, get those free cheat sheets below. You're going to learn a lot just from those free items. You know I'm just providing as much value as I can to you. Click those links in the description or in the top comment. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. And we growing so fast, man. It was just yesterday we only had 300,000, 400,000. No, anyway. Keep hustling, gang. Click the links in the description. Either way, get your free stuff. I got your back. Keep hustling. And I'll see you at the top.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding. Just kidding.